Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you all about a very interesting country named Finland. Did you know that Finland is the world's happiest country? But what makes Finland the happiest in the whole world? How something as subjective like happiness can be measured? And what are the values and practices which exist in Finland that can be internalized by us to make ourselves as well as the people around us all the more happier? So let's get started.
Finland is the most cheerful place on earth.
The World Happiness Report ranked the Nordic nation number 1.
This is the 4th time in a row that Finland has achieved this title.
Sorry, Disneyland, this is the happiest place on earth.
Finland, with its capital Helsinki, is one of the Nordic countries situated in Northern Europe. For past 4 years, Finland is topping the World Happiness Index, which is released by United Nations Sustainable Development Solution Networks. To know more about this index, I have already written an article which has been linked in the description. So let us see what are the practices and method of living due to which this country has become the happiest in the world. First of all, there exists the social equality. There is no as such posh area in any of the cities of this country, Finland. Here, the rich and the poor live together. It's the responsibility of the government to provide houses to everybody. Also, utmost care is taken that there is no special treatment for anybody. Be it the cabinet minister or a normal citizen, both undertake any sort of treatment in the government hospital only. Second point is free education for everybody. No matter if you are a child of a serviceman, a businessman, a politician, or of an unemployed, you are going to study in the same school as the other students. As a result, the children grow in the same atmosphere and all of them have the same baseline to compete in their future. Third is the philosophy of continuous learning. Here, people believe that learning is a continuous process and it should never cease. And here, to become a teacher, one has to go through the toughest exam, as to teach is to learn twice. Only the most capable person can be a teacher in Finland. Fourth point is nature and family is everything. You will easily see a lot of hills, gardens, lakes and greenery in every 300 meters of a building. They believe that to lead a successful and satisfied life, it is very important to understand oneself. And that's only possible in the lap of nature. And people here love spending time with their family to such an extent that whenever they feel like that they are not able to spend enough time with their family, they do take demotions in their career. The fifth point is amazing work-life balance. Here, if anybody works for more than 37.5 hours per week, then that amount of work hour can be deposited in working hour bank and can be used whenever they feel like. Also, due to the fact that it is situated in the Arctic area, there is no sunrise for 1.5 months and there is no sunset for 1.5 months. They utilize the period of darkness to work as much as possible, and as soon as the brightness emerges, they spend time with their family in nature, laughing, playing, enjoying and celebrating every moment. The sixth point is the robust model of government. The main aim of the government is to maintain equality between the rich and poor, as well as between males and females. Here, the representation of women in parliament is 46%, including the Prime Minister of Finland, Sanna Marin. Finland was the first country of Europe to provide voting rights to women. These are the 6 reasons which mainly contribute to the fact that they are the happiest people in the world. Thank you so much.